Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Mr. Vosters. I'm a high school engineering teacher. And in this video series, I'm teaching some introduction to Revit skills that you can use to model houses or any other structure that you'd like to. So in this video, we are modeling this house here. I'll show a little outside view of it. Here we go. So there's the outside view. Here's the floor plan that we're working off of. So in the previous two parts, which I encourage you to watch if you have not, we modeled the floors and I gave a brief overview of just some of the tools that are available within Revit. So in this video, we're going to be modeling the stairs. So from the window here, we're going to make sure we're in the architecture tab and select stair. And you want to be on your, let's go for the basement to first floor stairs. So select the basement floor plan. And from here, you'll want to make sure you're selecting a run. We're going to draw it from the center, or I guess the midpoint of this left edge. Now, if we draw it like this, it's going to want to make it go up from left to right, which we can flip that really easily. We do want it going up from right to left, but we do want it aligned with this edge, which is why I'm starting over on that end. So as I kind of drag, you can see it's saying how many risers have been created, how many are remaining. We need, it looks like 16 risers if we were to leave this stair setting the same. So before I actually clicked that, I should have changed our settings here just to make sure we have the right stair type selected. So hit escape, get out of the run command, and let's go into our stairs. So let's go to assembled stair and then edit it. We do not want a 7-inch max riser. Let's go duplicate, and then let's go 7.5-inch max riser, and let's switch that to a 10-inch tread. Click OK, and then let's actually modify those settings. So we'll set that to 7.5, this to 10. The minimum run width, let's just set that to 2, and then click OK. We can make it wider than 2, and we can make the other things slightly different, but let's go for a straight run. Again, we want to line up with the midpoint on this edge. As you kind of drag, you'll see that we're creating risers. We need 15 total risers. So from there, you can click to finish it and then click flip. So that's going to flip it so it's going up this direction from the basement. And before we totally finish this, let's just take a quick look in 3D to make sure everything looks all right. And it actually does look pretty good. It looks like our stringers are pretty close to that edge. Let's do a quick measurement from this edge to this edge. It looks like it's 4 foot 2 inches. Each of these stringers, I believe, are 2 inches. If we go to edit type, we should be able to see that. Our stringers, where is it? Edit type here. Stringers are 2 inches in width. So our total stair should be 3 foot 10 inches. If it was 4 foot 2 inches with the 2-inch stringer on each side, I'm just subtracting 4 inches from 4 foot 2 inches. So if I hit enter, it should make those slightly wider. Now if I go back to my 3D view and kind of rotate it around, you can see the stringers are right up against the edge there, which I like a lot better. So I'm happy with those. I'll click the green check. It's going to go ahead and create a railing, which I don't really want right now. We will add a railing eventually, but for now I'm just going to delete these. All right. Next, let's create our floor from our stairs from the first floor to the second floor. They're going to be going the same direction as our stairs from the basement to the first floor. So I'm going to draw these from the first floor. And once again, I'll click the stair command. I'm going to use my same stair as before. You want to make sure your base levels are set correctly. So ground floor up to second floor. And then we're going to draw it again from this other edge. We want to select the midpoint, which if we click the end point of our last stairs, should put us at the midpoint. As I draw this, we should see that we have a few risers remaining. It'll tell you how many, kind of right at the bottom there. So I'll need 16 risers from first floor to second floor, and that's because we have a slightly taller floor height. So our basement floor was only 8 feet high, and our first and second floors are both 9 feet tall, I believe. So from here, we'll flip it again so that it gets set up properly. And let's just give it a quick look in 3D. Again, I have a feeling our width is going to be off by a little bit. Looks like it is. So we'll have to adjust this one as well. So from here, I can switch it again to be 3 feet 10 inches, hit enter, and click the green check. All right, from our 3D view, we can click on our railings, delete those, but otherwise everything else looks pretty good. So I'm not gonna drag this video on. It's a pretty short one, but stairs can be a little tricky. Make sure you do get it set up properly beforehand. Use that flip tool to kind of get it aligned with this edge first. That's gonna make your life a lot easier. Okay, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.